Part Kindergarten School all present farm animals.
Hello my students. Today we are going to learn about animals, farm animals, all the animals that lives on a farm, like sheep, goat, horses, buffaloes, dogs, donkeys, all the farm animals. But you know, I like to sing and dance. Let's sing about farm animals. Welcome to a teat farm. There are many animals on the farm and also many fruit. Would you like to come and join me? Follow me. So this is the route that we have to take to visit all the animals and have a look at the way they live. Of course, you can also enjoy all this lovely fruit. I'm not so sure what the name is. What is the name of this fruit? It looks delicious. Salad. This is, the farm is called a teat salad. So, come and have a look and see what we're gonna do now. Follow me. We are also going to water some plants and perhaps we'll feed some animals. Watch your step. And here we have sheep on the farm. They eat every day. They like green vegetables. I sometimes give them fruit as well. And here we have the most beautiful horse. Is Isn't he gorgeous? Look at his mane. He has beige hair. I wonder if he has any friends. We should ask the farmer, don't you think? Oh, look. Oh, he's so hungry. This is a goat. A goat. Oh, he's so hungry. Yeah, go that side. Okay, let's go. Good job. Good job. Oh, over there. Let's have a look at the rest of the farm. This is a very, very well-kept farm. Look, we also get to feed the animals. I would like you to come and visit Atit Farm. Let's have a look. Here we have the sheep again. Do they eat this? Do you want some? Oh, okay. Oh, look, they are hungry. What time is it? Yes, it's time for lunch. Go and have it. Don't forget to drink your water. Look at the white, beautiful rabbit. Do you want to eat? Come on, baby. Yeah, white rabbit. Look, the one rabbit wants to play with the other. Let's look. I can see a chicken. Oh, hey, have you eaten? Oh, you want more food? Okay, that's good. And here we have a chicken. Clap, clap, clap. Have you eaten already? Oh, he's so big. Very, very big. And look, we have a rabbit sleeping over there. This is the cage where the rabbits live. They are cool. They have enough water. And so they are very happy. Oh, look! Geese! Geese! 3 geese! 1 goose, 3 geese. Let's feed them. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, are you hungry? Okay. They're so cute, don't you think? I love geese. And here we have buffalo. As you can see, this is a family of 3. Mommy buffalo, daddy buffalo, and baby buffalo. You can see where they live. It's spacious, nice and big. They have their own pen. So they have lots of water, and we can all come and visit them at any time, okay? This is the bridge to the pond, the fish pond. We will see all the beautiful fish. Did you see this big tree? Wow, it's awesome. It keeps everything nice and cool. And when you are tired, then you can sit here and relax and enjoy the peace and calmness of a real farm. Follow me. Let's go to the pond. And here we have a beautiful pond. It's huge. So many fish. I'm sure they enjoy their life here. Let's see if they will eat something. Oh, look, they are so hungry. Wow! All the fish. Wow! Ah, this is so awesome. I love fish. Oh, it's so beautiful. Look. Look, there's an orange one. Oh my gosh. All the fish are healthy and big fish. Having a good time here. Oh, oh, the fish is beautiful. And you can also take a picture of yourself and post it on Facebook. Don't forget to like Atit Farm and share it with your friends. There are many, many hamsters, all colors, black, brown and white. They seem to be eating all the time. They are the cutest animals, I think. Don't you think hamsters are cute? I do. Oh gosh. Good doggy. Oh, don't be scared. And of course, the guinea fowls. They are here. Look at the roosters. Did I tell you this farm is awesome? It's awesome. They have everything here. Oh, I don't think the dog is happy. Bye-bye, doggy. Okay. Hello, Mr. Squirrel. Yeah, we have a squirrel over here. Over here. Yes. Isn't he cute? Come on, have a bite. Have a bite. He's not hungry. Okay, there you go. Look at what we have over here. I've never seen such a huge iguana. Do you remember the song we sing about iguana, iguana, I don't think he likes my song. Hello, Mr. Iguana. Are you okay? I think he's okay. Oh my gosh, I'm having such a fun time at Atit Farm. Everything is beautiful and clean. You can see all the animals are healthy, and you can see the living area is nice and clean, and it's cool. So many trees. I really love it here. You must come and visit Atit Farm, okay? So this is what you do. You record a video of yourself telling me which animal you like the best, which animal you like most, okay? Like this. Hello, my name is Pupa. I like ducks. Ducks. Quack, quack, quack. Like that. Or, hello, my name is Shokum. I like horses. Horse. Or, you can say, hello, my name is Owen. I like dogs. Dogs. What animal do you like? Okay? Good job. I had a lot of fun. So now that you know all the animals, I want us to listen and sing along to a song. We can hear and listen to the sounds of the animals. Are you ready? Let's go.
Oink, oink.
Let's take a walk around the farm, around the farm, around the farm. Let's take a walk around the farm. What do you see? A cow! A cow! A Goodbye, sheep.
Special thanks, Sala Artit Farm.